How to find your user ID in Pocket Option application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to find your Pocket Options user ID or account ID, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Pocket Option application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, also make sure you're logged into your account. After logging in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. It will now show this expanded menu where you'll see your ID at the top of the screen. This will be your user ID or your account ID. It is a long string of numbers. You might need this for support or help whenever prompted. So you can keep your user ID private by tapping on this eye icon, which will just hide your ID and your infos. So that's it. From there, you can find your user ID. You can later share it with support safely whenever needed. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.